Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Today I have a response to a student that I thought I would share with everyone. Hopefully this works. I haven't worked through the answer yet. The student writes in, I'm hoping you can help me with a challenging song called Corrine by Charles Camilleri. I'm trying to learn it for my friend's birthday and I'm stuck on the second half of the song. I got some help from a YouTube by Maria Slavkova where she plays a variation and it's a bit slower. It's at the 106 mark and the 216 mark where she breaks into 2 and 3 fingered melody that I'm stuck with. Thanks for all your tutorials. Good, let's do it together. I've listened to another variation of the song. I just pulled up Maria's version at the timestamp that you're asking about. Let's listen to it together, 106 and 216. Let's see what she does. We're A minor. Da. Da 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 da. So the melody, the unembellished melody, Maria Slavkova, I'll link to the video in the description, plays the melody straight through the first time. Right? We're in E7 or E major. The second time around, at the 106 mark, she does a little ornament. Unornamented, the melody. Again, unornamented, straight through. With the ornament that she chooses. Right? We can even do it here. So it's a trill, it's an ornament, it's a mordant. Let's listen again to make sure we're getting it correctly, and then I'll fast forward to the 216 mark. Right? I'm not sure if that's part of the real melody. Maybe the real melody is... If it's... Maria here is doing... She's fitting in more notes, and she's getting those notes based on the chord that we're playing. So based on the sheet music that you have, if you have sheet music, if the song is in A minor, you could use any notes from the A minor scale. Because there's an E7, we could use the G sharp from the E chord. Let's keep listening. There she's doing it again. So instead of... So instead of... we could do... or... we can introduce more of those trills and ornaments. I'll link you to my tutorials on ornaments, trills, and mordants. There are all sorts of ways that we can ornament songs. Maria Slavkova does a really nice job of ornamenting the song. Let's keep listening and let's go to 216. Beautiful. So we're in C major now. Da 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 da. If the straight melody is something like that, right? We go down from the E. Every note. jumping to the E. That's the clean melody. What Maria's doing is adding a second voice, a harmony, what I call multi-fingered melody. If you look at this month, October 22 monthly challenge, I teach you how to do a harmony. You could do... Maria chooses the melody below it. Not with that fingering, that was just to demonstrate, but... So, how do we build up to that? Look at my lesson on multi-fingered melodies. You need to know the chord that we're in. We're in C major. So the notes that work well are C, E, G, and C. So you could hold your finger on the G. And then maybe the E. Check out the monthly challenge this month. There is an easy way of doing a major third or a third above or below another voice. That works really well. Let's listen to what this player does. That's what she does. And then nice triads. Right, so beautiful musette sound. And then a G7. Nice triads. So again, we could choose other harmony. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Let me know if you have any questions. This is to my student or anyone that's watching this video. I'm happy to help, but that's how that's what's happening. Know the song at its base, and then you can start adding ornaments, trills, multi-fingered melodies. That takes it from a level 1 playing, still beautiful, lots of things to work on, to a level 2 playing because it has multi-fingers. Level 3 playing, we're introducing triads beneath the melody. Etc. Anyways, thank you for your question. Bye-bye.